Birds. Great white egret. That is a great white egret. Tell all your friends to come see my great white egrets. They visit me every day and eat. Some days they eat out of my hand, and some days we just toss the food. Seagull behind it. That one's quiet. It's a good bird. And then there's another one over there behind the plants. There she is. Or he is. He or she. There. Sometimes we have more birds. Sometimes we have less birds. But every day, there are birds. It's awesome. I'm very lucky. 1 pack of hot dogs per day is what they get. So, really it costs more to feed them than my kitty cats. But that's okay. They're worth it. We're going to have another peacock video coming up soon. Aren't they gorgeous? That is a snowy egret. Have no idea why. Yellow feet, black beak. Great white egret. Much taller. Yellow beak, black feet. Funny how nature does things. And you notice nobody's chasing each other, so the aggressive ones will be in later. So enjoy your day, everybody.